Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So I have a new product to show to you today from Fulton and Roark. It is a deodorant. So you may be familiar with Fulton and Roark. It is they started out as a solid fragrance line. So this is what the solid fragrance looks like. It's a wax-based cologne. And they recently introduced a couple of new products, one of them being the deodorant that I mentioned, and also bar soaps. So the deodorants are scented like some of the solid fragrances are, so you can combine them and create like a system that with matching scents, which is pretty cool. It is an alcohol aluminum-free stick. It's pretty dry. It's not a wet stick, which I personally like. Some people like it, some people don't. Goes on nice and easy, gives you good all-day protection. Probably not 24-hour protection. You definitely need to, like if you go to the gym in the morning before you shower like I do, you're probably going to need to reapply something in the morning. But otherwise it works all day long. I've tested it out and I've added it to my rotation of deodorants, so I think it's good. The other neat thing about these is that they are refillable. So it just pops out like this. The one that I'm using right now is Mahana. The other ones that they make are Blue Ridge, Clearwater, and Palmetto. So there are lots of different scents to choose from. And so you can choose different ones. You don't have to use the same one every single time. So if you're on the market for a good alcohol aluminum-free deodorant that smells great, this is definitely a contender. Check it out, shopmasc.com, and of course available in our store in Vancouver too. Thanks for listening.